Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asad Yaqub and I am from Lahore, Pakistan, and I teach Ielts here. Well guys, attention all Ielts candidates, all the students, all my subscribers, my students, my friends who are preparing for Ielts. Sometimes this happens that you feel low, you feel disappointed, you feel lethargic, you feel lazy, you don't want to study Ielts, you think reading is so boring, reading is so dry, okay, and I have a target to achieve, I will never be able to achieve my target, right, and it's going to be difficult for me, Ielts is difficult, Cambridge is not giving bench score to any student. So these type of negative thoughts, you are surrounded by the negative thoughts, and as a result you come closer to giving up your Ielts preparation, or this whole phenomena, this state of mind disturbs your Ielts preparation, and as a result you start thinking, should I take Ielts test or should I try something else, or it's okay if I don't take Ielts test. Let me tell you guys one important thing. Ielts is the only game changer in your life at present, full stop. Ielts is the only game changer in your life. Ielts is going to change the game of your life. Rather, it's going to change your life. It's going to give you a new life. It's just like a dream which is going to come true once you achieve your goal, right? So whenever you feel low, whenever you feel disappointed, whenever you feel that, okay, I don't want to study, I don't want to do anything, you need to just think what is ahead of you. Think about your goal. Think about the pleasures which are associated with your goal, and think about the pains which are associated with your present. If you don't take Ielts, what sort of pains are there that you are going to face? And if you take Ielts, if you get your desired bench score, what sort of pleasures are there? And believe me, pleasure and pain, they are the best motivators. Sometimes you want to do things out of pleasure, right? And sometimes you want to do things to avoid the pain. So if there is pain in your present, make it big. Make this pain big and give yourself a sort of advice that I want to avoid this pain. I want to get out of this painful situation, and the only way out is Ielts, and then going to Canada, going to Australia, going to New Zealand. That is going to be the only way out. And with Australia, Canada, New Zealand, America, you need to associate lot of pleasure. Pain, pleasure. You are in painful situation now, and their pleasure is waiting for you. Make the pain bigger, make the pleasure bigger, and then you will become like a heat-seeking missile towards your goal, and you'll be targeting, you'll be hitting your goal. That is only going to be possible when the pain is going to be bigger and very painful, and the pleasure is going to be charming for you. Listen up guys, you are practicing Ielts. Sometimes you practice in the wrong direction. You don't know how to improve your skills. So it's a good idea. I mean, if it is listening. Now, first of all, you need to identify what is my weak area. Is it writing? Very recently, I've started a writing series, and I'm going to make more videos on writing. Watch those videos, follow the instructions, right, and then see, you will get the results. Many of us, we are not willing to pay the price, but we want to get the delivery. I mean, future is like something which will be delivered only if you pay the price in present, and paying the price in present is working hard in present. If you need to work hard in present, you need to pay the price through your time, through your effort, through your struggle. Once you struggle, you put some effort, in future there's going to be a delivery, and that delivery is in the form of Canadian passport, Canadian nationality, PR, permanent residence, Australian nationality, Australian passport. So for that you need to work very hard. Identify your weak areas in IELTS, right? Then put some special effort. Remember one thing, once upon a time a weakness of yours can become a strength in the future. Look at me. When I was in class 7th, my school decided to convert the course from Urdu medium to English medium, and there I was. I changed my school because I was really poor at English. I didn't want to study all the subjects in English, and I was very weak in English. And then the time came when I was at college, at university, I decided to convert English from my weakness to my strength. You know, there are two lists in our life. One is the weakness on the left side, one is the strength. What I did through my effort, through my struggle, I took English from my weakness and I made it my strength, and because of English, now you guys are watching my videos and all that. So this is literally possible if you work hard, and the time when you decide, when you take a decision that yes, I'm going to do it, and then you find the way. Believe me, I mean, just imagine in darkness you are driving a car. You're driving a car in darkness and the headlight of the car is on. Wherever you turn the car, because of the headlight, you will start looking and you will find a way. In the same way, if you struggle, if you work hard, wherever you start looking, you find a way. I started making videos for YouTube, right? I put the headlights towards YouTube, and now after 3 years you can see the result of my effort. In the same way, whatever you do today, tomorrow you are going to see the result in that. It is not possible that there is only struggle without result. There is result after struggle, but struggle must be in the right direction. So once again, get up and decide, yes, IELTS is the only life changer. IELTS is my life changer. And by the way, you know, sometimes students, they want to do IELTS, but they are not sincere. Just imagine you have a lover or you have a beloved, and you are sincere with that lover or beloved, but actually you are not giving proper time to your lover or beloved, and you are not giving attention to your beloved or lover, or you're not giving importance. Now, for example, if you want to give importance, the importance is given once you take something or someone important in your life. Now, if I think IELTS is important in my life, definitely I'll give IELTS value. And if I don't give value to IELTS, it means I don't give importance. It means I'm not serious about IELTS. I'm only flirting with IELTS. Flirting means you will try to dodge your parents. Right? You will try to dodge your parents that yes, I'm studying IELTS, I'm doing listening, and there you'll play the songs, and parents, they know, yeah, he's doing IELTS listening, right? In reading even, you put the mobile there, and then there is some light from your book, and then you say, this is the light of knowledge. This is actually the light of knowledge which is coming from my book, and there is the mobile there. So guys, I mean, you need to do something. If IELTS is your life changer, do not flirt with IELTS. If you flirt with IELTS, definitely life will flirt you, and then one day you are going to be the carrier of or you're going to be the porter for those who come from England, who come from Canada, who come from Australia, and you will be carrying their suitcases on your shoulder, and you'll say, oh, you've come from Canada. Once I wanted to go to Canada as well, but I couldn't get good bench score in IELTS. I don't want you to make a face like that. I want you to come out of the airport with confidence, and there'll be a lot of people around you, your family members, your relatives, your friends, your loved ones, who will be carrying your suitcases, and you will be receiving a heroic welcome upon leaving and upon arriving. Thank you very much. Take IELTS seriously. Look at your parents. Look at your siblings. Look at the people who are around you. They are looking at you and look at their faces. They have certain hopes. They have certain aspirations, and they know, they have certain desires, and they know you are going to fulfill those desires, those aspirations, those wants. So you have a very heavy responsibility on your shoulder, and you have to cope with all the responsibilities through your struggle, through your work hard. Take IELTS seriously, work hard to achieve your desired band, and once you get your desired band, get lost. Okay, from here to your destination country, get your desired band and get lost. Enjoy your life there, have fun there, enjoy yourselves. And this is, once you're going to achieve it, then once you look back at your past life, and you would smile, and there would be a smile of success on your face. I truly wish you guys all the best. May you succeed in every aspect of your life. May you reach your desired country. May you get your desired band, and may all your wishes come your reality, or may all your wishes become your reality. What you see with closed eyes, you should be able to see that with open eyes as well. Asad Yaqub wishes you all the best. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. Asad Yaqub wishes you all the best with all your desires, with all your goals, with all your targets. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.